Team Fortress 2 has a whole class of secondary weapons for the scout that are popped. You drink atomic bonk and critical. Why bonk? Like bonk the character or bonk on the head? He's from Boston. He yells a bonk. I don't understand. I don't understand your kids' crazy games. Your crazy kids' games, crazy games. Is it bonk with a baseball bat? Like bonk, like the cartoon. Wait, cartoon bonk. Bonk. I love it.
But what the hell, boy? I'm crying.
You guys feel it? Oh my god. It's exactly what I had in my mind. I'm crying.
I'm crying.
Free bonk sound effects. Whoa. Ah.
Oh, I can't.
That one sucked. Okay. I actually felt that on my stomach. I felt that on my head.
I need you.